Hi, I'm Robert Meyers, Robert Meyers Studio, founded in 1980s. We kind of catered to a higher end clientele, maybe not high quantity as much, but more quality. The reason I like Contra Vision is because it comes with a 400+ foot roll. Our installers love it because the liner removes easily no matter what temperature it is. So if it's very cold or very hot, we're able to remove the liner easily. I like the reliability and consistency of the Contra Vision product. From one lot to the next, I really haven't had a problem with changes. From the liner to the way it prints, very consistent. Now, from other manufacturers, I haven't been so lucky, and that's the reason I did switch to Contra Vision, because there was a big change between lot numbers and also by the way the liner would release. And I would say you need to use their product. This product's very dependable, and so I'm very happy with the performance and longevity of the product as well.